Dobar dan, Slovenia. Hi, Slovenia. I am so glad to speak to you again. It was 10 years ago this month, April 2011, that I was first with you. In 5 different cities, I met over 17,000 of you in person. I'm saying hello again. But even if you didn't hear me in 2011, let me encourage all of you. I want to tell you that in these transitional times of COVID times, that the 10 years since 2011 and even COVID times, it's obviously many things that we've all experienced of evolving change around us, whether it's our family, personal, community, our nation, and our world. And a lot has happened in the last 10 years in my life. Seriously, I was single. I did not have any kids. Today, I am married to a beautiful woman, and her name is Kanae. We have 4 amazing children. But these 10 years have also been difficult for me. There have been dark days, and even this past year especially has been very hard. Let me ask you, how has this past decade been for you? And now look at the world. The world has been kind of shut down for a whole year. We don't know how long this pandemic really will last. And I want to ask you, how has the last year been for you? Have you been depressed? How are you doing? Have you felt maybe even hopeless or helpless? I want you to know that I still don't have arms or legs, and you probably still do. Whatever our life situations are, we all need hope, perhaps now more than ever. And I just want to personally encourage you to hold on. Keep on going. Never underestimate the broken pieces in our life, how it can be turned into something beautiful. And for sure, this pandemic will pass. And for sure, this chaos and challenge in our world will not be our last. And life may not be the same as it was before, but life can be still rich. Don't just fill these days with internet, TV, and movies, or even with activity, and just waiting for things to, go back to normal. Don't just play the victim card either. We all have an opportunity to still be thankful for all the things that we have accomplished, all the things that we have. An attitude of gratitude is so important. Allow yourself time to relax and reflect. And I know you Slovenes are very hard workers. But how much of what you do is because it needs to be done? And how much of what you do is to prove how diligent you are to others? Perhaps you have a complex about that. I want you to give yourself grace. Use this time to learn more about yourself, to mend broken relationships. But even more so, use this time to learn more of the God in the Bible. Read the Bible, study it, pray to God. No fancy words needed, just talk to Him. Back in 2011, I asked which of you had read Trubar, that phrase on your €1 coin from your first Slovene book, Stand and Withstand. I agree with, but have you read how Trubar says that we can stand and withstand even during a pandemic? Trubar and I agree, you cannot truly stand and withstand on your own. Trubar wrote that we need faith in God, in the truth in the Bible. With this kind of faith, I quote him now, he says, with this kind of faith, the Christians stand and withstand in trials and temptations and resist the unbelief that is in our flesh. Friend, I invite you to consider a personal relationship with God. And to learn more and listen to my talks in Mariboru and Ljubljana in 2011, please take some time to watch it and you will be encouraged at nickvujicic.s.I. Slovenia, stand firm. Slovenia, there is hope. I love you and I miss you. I'll see you soon, and the next time I come there, I hope to bring my family and show not only your beautiful country, but the beautiful people living in it. God bless you and thank you.